And finally the walls came down, but the warriors kept fighting and fighting and fighting. Hello, my friends. It looks like we have some drops falling from the sky today. But don't cry. You can still have fun. This is what I did on my last rainy day. I remembered I had some friends. So I called them. And of course, they came. And they came prepared. Yes, they did. The fire kept us warm while I told them the story when I took out of the river my pet chinchilla. But Annabelle was already frozen. So sad. To cheer me up, Shayla decided to churn some butter. I like that. And she did too. Later on, I found them playing with my pillows. Hey. Talia was playing a little shy, but I pulled her into the fire. Ooh, she got a little neck, but nothing we couldn't take her off. They were waiting, all excited for my cookies at the kitchen. Put the glove on and... Ooh, Tara. I'm glad we had that butter. Would you like some? Uh-oh. I don't think Valerie got the memo. We fixed that. That's a nice pair. Time for shots! She said. Little did I know that my busy bees had a plan of their own. Fresh lime, sea salt, a tasty tequila, and of course, the girl. Oh my God. I love tequila. I showed my train to Daphne. She gave me a hug. They wanted to learn some languages, and I said to myself, who was I to deny them? Bonjour, ça va, hola. The house needed some work, and the girls wanted to use my tools. And that, my friends, was my last rainy day. But then again, it's just a suggestion. You pick your own journey. Oh wait! There was one more thing. Oh, that was good. Despierta, ay, mi linda muñequita. Yo sé que tú comprendes las penas que hay en mí. Te adoro, ay, mi linda muñequita. Yo sé que tú comprendes las penas que hay en mí. La, la, página blanca fue mi corazón, bom, 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 donde escribimos una página de amor. Ven, 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 ven a darme unos besos de amor, que sin ti ya no puede vivir mi corazón, mi corazón. whiskey.